Ellarigu Namaskara. Hi, I'm Dr. Aadi Puttaswamy, CEO and founder of iTech Analytic Solutions. Welcome to today's podcast. Our topic is why data analytics is becoming the #1 career for 2026. Every company today produces huge amounts of data, but raw data has no value unless someone can clean it, understand it, and turn it into useful insights. That is why data analysts are in such high demand. They help businesses make faster and smarter decisions. So, what skills matter the most? First is Excel. It remains the foundation for analysis. Almost every report, dashboard, or business decision begins with Excel. Second is SQL. SQL helps you fetch and organize data from databases. Every analyst is expected to know it. Third is Power BI. It allows you to build dashboards that update automatically and show insights in real time. Today, companies rely heavily on Power BI for business reporting. And finally, GenAI. AI tools make analysts faster and more efficient. They help you clean data, write queries, and generate insights quickly. Because of these changes, analytics roles are growing in almost every industry, and the demand will continue to rise in the coming years. To help you begin your journey, our New Year 2026 offer is now live at iTech Analytic Solutions. Our Career Accelerator program, earlier 85,000, is now available for 45,000. Our Essentials program, earlier 65,000, is now 35,000. You also receive a free Excel certification worth 10,000 and bonus content worth 50,000. This offer is valid till the 25th of December, and you can pay now and attend any batch later. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and connect with us on LinkedIn. All the links are mentioned below. Thank you. Namaskara.